At Fibos Measurement Technology, we are dedicated to precision engineering sensors that define reliability and accuracy for modern industry. We have obtained multiple patents and international quality certifications. Fibos torque sensors are available in various ranges from 0.1 nm to 5000 nm, meeting diverse industrial needs with multiple signal outputs including RS-485 frequency and analog voltage. They're designed for seamless integration into automation systems, supporting Modbus protocols. Our sensors communicate with ease across modern data systems, from robotic torque control to motor testing, assembly automation, and precision laboratory analysis. Fibos torque sensors deliver stable performance even under dynamic load conditions. Their non-contact transmission ensures signal integrity even at high speeds and continuous operation.